Welcome to today's tutorial for the employee portal. You'll need to get a link or URL from your supervisor and then navigate to that URL using Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Once you land on the page, you'll need to enter the badge ID you were given, and then you'll enter the PIN number if an extra step is required. This is not always the case, but your supervisor would also be able to give that PIN number to you so that you can log in. Once you're logged in, pressing on Start would clock you in for the day. Pressing on End would clock you out. To go to lunch, you would log in and click Lunch Leave. When you come back from lunch, you'll log in and press the Lunch Return. Your name is listed on the left. The company message is listed in this location. Your current status is listed over here above the log off. If you have any questions about the further operation of the employee portal, please see your supervisor. Thank you for watching.